I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage rice low-carb, only way. Shred cabbage finely and pulse in a food processor until it resembles rice, then salt lightly and let sit for 10 minutes to draw out moisture. Squeeze or press the cabbage in a clean towel to remove liquid before sautéing. This step keeps the texture fluffy and prevents sogginess, making the cabbage rice work well in salads and warm dishes. Start by heating oil and toasting seasonings like cumin or garlic to awaken flavors, then add the drained cabbage rice and stir frequently. Cook over medium-high heat to evaporate any remaining moisture and develop slight browning for deeper taste. Finish with a splash of lemon or rice vinegar and fresh herbs to brighten the dish. Taste and adjust salt or umami to suit your preference for a satisfying low-carb meal. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers that seal tight and make storing cabbage rice a breeze, especially for on-the-go lunches or saucy dishes that might leak. They stack neatly, wash easily, and save time when you prep meals for the week. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose your method based on desired texture. Sauté for a toasted, firmer bite, steam for soft rice-like pieces, or bake with toppings for a casserole finish. Use a wide pan for even evaporation and avoid overcrowding to keep pieces separate. Stir often when sautéing to promote browning without burning. Adjust cooking time by a few minutes to reach the exact tenderness you prefer while keeping carbs low and flavor high.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.